In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save an email template from the Mindbody software. This step-by-step guide will help you create, design, and reuse email templates for your marketing campaigns efficiently. Let's dive right into the process, ensuring that you have a smooth experience with your Mindbody business dashboard. First, you'll need to log into your Mindbody business dashboard. To do this, visit business.mindbodyonline.com. Make sure you log in with either admin or marketing access to proceed further. Once logged in, navigate over to the marketing section and click on Marketing Suite. If you cannot locate the Marketing Suite, it's possible that you may need to check your subscription settings or contact Mindbody support to enable this feature. Once you are in, we'll move on to the Email Templates section. On your dashboard sidebar, click on Campaigns, and then select Email Templates. Here, you will be able to see a list of your saved or pre-designed templates. These could include templates like Welcome Email, Promo Offer, or Class Reminder. Now let's create a new email template. Click on either plus Create New Template or New Email. You have two choices at this point. You can either start from scratch or use a pre-built template. Mindbody provides themed layouts for various purposes such as events or offers, giving you a range of choices to suit your needs. Once you've selected your starting point, it's time to design your email. In this stage, you'll use the drag and drop email editor to customize your design. You can add text blocks, buttons, and images to make your email visually appealing. Personalize the template by incorporating variables such as first name, studio name, or next visit date. This personalization can make your emails more engaging and relevant to recipients. Also, consider adding call to action buttons like book now, claim offer, or visit website. To strengthen your brand recognition, insert your logo, social media links, and brand colors. Consistency across your emails is key to building a strong brand identity. Once you're satisfied with your design, the next step is to save your template. Click on Save Template. Enter an appropriate name, like Welcome Email Template or Monthly Newsletter. After this, you can choose to either save and exit or save draft. This ensures that your template is readily available whenever you need it for future campaigns. Finally, to reuse your saved template, go to Marketing, then Campaigns, and select Create New Email. Choose Use Saved Template and select your design from the list. You are encouraged to edit or personalize the template for the specific campaign you are working on, while the original version remains saved for continuous use in the future. And there you have it. Your email template is now saved and you're all set to reuse it across your campaigns and marketing automations.